Hi, here's Victoria from Aloware team, and today we're going to cover the topic tags and how you can use them. So I'm currently using Aloware Talk View, Agent View, a place where all of the communications will be done. And over here you'll have a tags option. So if I click on it, so I'll be able to see all of my communication tags that will help you label interactions like calls, SMS, emails, and faxes, and also contact tags that are assigned to individual contacts in order to help you classify and organize your contacts according to specific criteria, making it easier to locate and work with them. So let's go ahead and add our contact tag. So I will give the name, for example, this is a hot lead. Then you can also choose the color. For instance, in my case, it's gonna be, let it be red. Contact, and if you want to, you can also add some tag description like hot lead contact as soon as possible, and add. And then when you click add, so this tag is going to be added, then you can also assign this tag to specific users. In my case, as you can see, it wasn't assigned to anybody yet, but if it was assigned to some of your contacts, you'll be able to check it out if you click on it, so you can quickly find these contacts. And also you'll be able to edit this tag. You can also delete the tag. You can add to power dialer all of these contacts that have specific tag. And so basically that's it. Really easy to use and will definitely help you to manage all of your contacts and communications. Thank you.